Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you the basic things in the Python language. It's not gonna be a long video. It's just the basic, like the how to write hello world, the variables, the if statement. So this is what we're gonna see in this video. I'm gonna let you with the video, so let's start. As you know, the famous thing about Python is his hello world. You just write print, you make a round brackets and a double quotes, and inside the double quotes you write what you want: hello world, hi, welcome, anything you want. The next basic thing in Python is variable. So we're just gonna take a random name or a random letter. Like we're gonna take n in this example. We're gonna give n a number, a random number, like equal to 4 or 3 or anything. And if we want to print this number, we're just gonna write print like before, and we're gonna do the round brackets, but inside the round brackets we don't gonna write the double quotes. We're just gonna write the letter or the name, the variable that we choose. Like we choose n, so we're gonna write n inside the round brackets. And if you see the output, that give us the value of n. Another basic things in all the programming language, it's the if statement. We have if statement also in Python. Now we're gonna use the variable n to we write before, but we're not gonna print it now. We're just gonna add the if statement. Let's say that 4 is greater than n, so print n. Or if 4 is not greater than n, so we're gonna write wow or anything we want. So let's try it, and we're gonna see in the output what we're gonna have. I hope that you liked the video and you're gonna subscribe and like the video, so subscribe now.